See the cross, I see the price you paid, the greatest sacrifice that ever was made. I don't deserve the mercy that you show, but there's nowhere else for me to go. I'm calling out from the depths of my soul, come and take my